Welcome to lesson 18 of Open Office Space. In this lesson, we will be looking at field properties. Let us open our patients table in Design View. Right click on Edit, and we have the design view of the table. Okay. Let's look at our first field name. It's called patient's number, and our data type for patient's number is type text. Below in the screen, the second pane, we have what we call our field properties. Now, these are the different properties of this type text data type. What we can stipulate what length it must be, the maximum length. We can stipulate its default value. So when we entering information, a default value will be there automatically. We can also say, okay, what example? We can show the user an example of what the data type must be like. Suppose we look at let's add another field, for example, telephone number. And I want to make this a data type of number. Let's look at integer. Again, let's look at the field properties of data type integer. We can have an automatic value, either yes or no. Is the entry required? Yes, the entry is required. What is the length? 10 characters long or 10 digits long. What is its default value? And we can also set a format example. So these are the field properties of the integer data type. Let's change it to something else. Yes or no. The field properties for data type yes or no are entry required, yes or no. What is its length? And what is its default value? Let's look at another data type, say for example decimal. The field properties of data type decimal are entry required, yes or no, what is its length, how many decimal places, what's its default value, and what's its format example. So those are basically, each data type has its own particular field properties.